Yes, the police, them ask me, them ask me, them say, them are kill me, them not gonna stop.
The police won't stop till they kill you?
Yes.
Why would the police have an interest in you?
Because family background.
Family background?
Yes.
So have you been in contact with any lawyers or any?
No, I did not. I didn't.
Where you are now, are you alone or are you in the company of others?
Yes. No, I'm alone.
Okay. But are you surrounded?
No,
Okay. Are you in the, well, I don't want to ask you where you are, but are you in the community of Augusttown now as we speak?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Are you aware of what's happening inside the community?
I just know man dead and me a be people are scream and a ball and just not somebody call me and tell you say them are looking to kill us. Everybody are calling me and tell you, every single body are calling me and tell you.
Oh, you were informed by residents that
every single body are calling me and tell you.
Okay. Are you aware of the persons who were killed?
No, me no. Some man, me no. I'm supposed to have a cousin. But them here say them take out and then go and kill me. Me hear my scream. Me no know which family. Me just me call and them say them dead.
All right. What do they refer to you as? What would you like to share with your name with me? What's your name?
Akeem.
Pardon me?
Akeem.
Akeem?
Yes.
What's your surname?
I'm not even know my surname right now. I'm not even know what my last name.
Yeah, your last name. What's your last name?
Let's show you the gleaner.
Yeah, man. Hey, how else would I have gotten your number?
Akeem Thomas.
Akeem Thomas.
Yes.
All right. So, Mr. Thomas, what could I facilitate for you right now? Would you like come to where you are?
Please. When you come on, you come out.
When I come to Augusttown, you'll come out?
Yes. Come into bed was gone, please.
All right. I am. All right. All right. Give me 5 minutes, and I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
Please don't tell the police if they reach before you will get dead.
I'm going to call you back in 5 minutes.
All right, Tom.
Yeah.
Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Well, as you can see from the video before, we introduced the thing today. You know what state of affairs we're in Jamaica in terms of we and them people. You see, that is in terms of the people against them youth. Seeing, we love them seeing we want them have life and want them live, but we can say them not care very much for them life either. As we can see from the action here. See? And as we can pick up from the emotions and the psychology of the video. See? My concern in regards to that whole shootout and killing of 5 men in a thingy, Augusttown. Why? My concern is really and truly there's a lot of concern. Seen? But it's only one I can fairly address, which is I hope the soldier them alright. I hope the police them make it out alright. At this point, this is the only thing I can say, even though I just hear a voice note where one of the youth them in the house. I might just play it phone now when we're done. See? In the house get contacted by the gleaner. Seeing the gleaner call him, or the gleaner get him number while the incursion go on the place under curfew and him lock in our house, him there somewhere hide from the police, and the gleaner get him number for call him and find out where him the war go on and get him state of mind and thing like that. It's not a laughing matter. See, but I smile through the facts so well and I experience it and live it out. And so I have an idea of where I feel. when I go through at the time. See? Mm-hmm. Honestly so. See? But again, you see, in regards to the actions of the youth them at Jamaica, how the youth them are perform them criminal works and things like that, the criminal culture in Jamaica now, see, is being supported and emulated by every criminal basically in my eyes. I can't render no man blameless of encouraging the culture when we say I go on today in terms of criminality. See? So I'm not in a position, based on that, I'm not in a position, and I think no vlogger in no position for defend or ask any question in regards to how the police them carry out them actions. You see, it's gonna be one of the reasons why I'm not gonna play the voice note if I don't play it. You see, and I advise other people to do the same. It's very draconian given the platform and given the task or we actually carry out. You see, but no way, shape or form we can't seem to compromise certain principles and act like we want to facilitate or enable certain principles and practices. See, let this be a lesson to the rest we want to do the same thing or we have the same aim and the same goal to end up find themselves in a position or a situation like that. You see, let this be like not a warning but an impact to a very serious impact to the mind of the youth them where go around and kill senselessly and randomly. Let this be a message to them couple of youth that will just ride up on the bike and bail off with high power weapon in them community like that. We don't know who them a mag up on who are the enemy and what go on, what give them reason or what give rise for behavior like that in Jamaica. See? Let this be a lesson also to the vloggers them who seek to jump on any soundbite, any clickbait in order to get the likes and now use them platform for positively impact Jamaica, the community at large and what go on. See, let this be a lesson to all of who might want to ask the security them question in regards to the action, them attitude, them operation, them principle, the fines and things like that. There's a lot of questions to ask, like me I say, a lot of questions me can ask that cause a lot of doubt or a shadow in regards to the soldier them practice. I gotta admit that openly, but me nah do it. You know see it? Me nah do it. See, because I did with the effort that I wanna push out, you know. I mad love seeing me, you know, I mean, I want none of you see the judgment, you see, but we have to take a stand, and this is my stand where I gotta stand back and just know, say, boy, me not have really and truly, righteously, me not have the authority for ask, I have a question what go on, because again, me more for question the reputation and the culture of criminality in Jamaica today, rather than for question the approach. We would have more said the police them inactive than overactive, or you know what I say? Yes, Rasta, me nah question it. You know see, because when you don't give nobody no reason to think say any allegation we draw against you might be lie or might not be justified. All of the step of them I talk to, you know, right? Remember it's a whole step of this we wanted for years I talk to me, you know. At that state of mind the thing there, you know. You know, yeah. I like me say I'm in a business if someone wants to be an informer, you can't invalidate or validate me. You know, see my thing my thing set in a stone. This can't change or make or break my reputation. You know see, can't make or break my reputation as a OG, like where one of my little general them call me. When they me, hey, we should remember OG man always call me. Yo, you know yourself, and you always jump in and say, man, in OG. Yo, John, you, I eat that thing for forgot. You know, see, yeah, from this OG experience, Rasta, you know, see it. Me can't really defend them type of thing nowadays because them type of thing are not my principle. I know my practice them a Rasta. You know, see it would be unfair of me defend certain things where I might not agree with. A joke thing that. You know, see it. A joke thing that. Like I say, I will readily admit openly and quickly. So there's a lot of question me. See it? You know, see it, but the position they want to put themselves in a Rasta. I don't feel it is fair for Jamaica people for question the actions of the police officer them. Even though I know there's a lot of question. You know, see it? No, Rasta. We can't do that. You see it? Because we not give the people them a chance to answer the question. And not ask the question neither, you know. In a phone action, when they not do phone thing, you know, like me I say, when they ever realize the ramification of phone little war them more now have amongst the society, amongst the people them, where they get to see them, get the poor people them want to live with. You know, see it, where if them seeing poor people, you know, enough of them seeing poor people, you know, if them did have the cost of one of them gunshot there, where on fire out a phone gun, them probably could have feed them family for 2 days. You know, see it. When you see them one day we walk with a, you know, we're hungry and I walk with gun and them thing there. One of them shot they probably could have full the time, the value for one of them shot there. However, I want to get them, because you must have sacrificed food for gunshot. You know, see, a man must, you can't look at yourself and say, but one of them gunshot I can full my belly for today and tomorrow. If me should have spend economically and buy enough with whatever. Buy 2 tin of mackerel and 4 pound of flour. 2 pound today and 2 tomorrow. See him go look some mackerel or some callaloo or whatever on the stuff I add with the mackerel and stretch it out liquor. See him? Put all the onion in or whatever. See him? You can have a 2-day feast after that. And you could have weed money left too. I mean I tell you about one of the cheapest gunshot them, which is a 9mm shot. But I really have no accurate, I don't know the price in terms of figures, right? I know off at the top of my brain, but I know say yeah. See? No disrespect. You see? And yet still, you know, the item a step with that and you know, and in a poverty with them level of it's like the economics are right. You know, see, the morality behind it now add up. See? And the same people them they are watching I do nothing and I watch them food, you know, I kill people. Money we could have potentially help better them. See, by some young man with the ability to create them level of resources so that they can access funds or whatever to acquire them expense there. You know, see, people them in themselves know say, yo, I know think them youth could have did help to make things better too. So them not great love not their phone. So we can't really there. And I said the people them anybody show concern phone in Jamaica and now do it out of fear. You know, see, fortunately, I'm not really dead at the moment. Probably it's unfortunate as well, because the people who know me will say it might be unfortunate as well. You know, see, I say that with a smile, yeah. People who know me might consider that unfortunate, especially the people who are dead, where I live there and I suffer right now, you know, see. Yeah, but the people them still there, they are watching all of them things, they are abuse them sort of things that could have benefit them. The people, me wouldn't be, me couldn't consider myself relevant or even, you know what I say? It wouldn't be acceptable for I and I even try understand what's going on up in the the other that day there, I don't know say 5 gunmen dead. Police them find only 7 guns. As some would want to ask the question. Sure, only 7 guns? Channel. Yeah. You know, see it. I'm a love gun. And I'm a love life and love. I'm a have mad respect for Jamaican black youth, ghetto youth. You see it. Yeah. That's the truth, Rasta. I man don't want to see nothing to them. All I'm saying, the man we are planning for kill a man, right? You know, the same step of them I talk about. No, to believe the level of love I have for no. But you see when I'm dead, I eat that food no. How now change, you know, just be remembered that way there as the man there in the season. You don't get effect no positivity within our life. As far as I'm concerned, as far as the majority of the population is concerned. You know, see, so it don't make no sense. I or any other people with the influence or with the resource to ask questions, ask any. It don't make no sense. You know, see, would I go against the grain? YouTube deserve to ban any man for sure, any form of concern in regards to the police and the soldier them actions. Because not that them youth are bad youth personally again, you know, them youth might be innocent. They might be not so wicked as the rest who cause us to think like this, or I think like this. You know, see, they might be far from it. But you know what? Parents, community, friends, neighbor who are suffering a ball for them right now, help build and breathe and allow the atmosphere or the character of men, like disgusted men like who we were talking about, for grow and build and becomes prominent amongst the community. So we know them exist there in abundance. You know, see, the mentality and the acceptability is there as well. See? So the simple facts are well, they don't show certain level of tolerance to them type of character. Yeah, it breeds support for the whole argument say, boy, every and anybody can be part of it. You see? So really and truly, my heart goes out to every mother and every father, every parent, every baby mother, every child that lost a loved one in the whole incident. Don't get me wrong. You know, see it. But really and truly, like me I say, none of us not in a position for really question or you know, see, even the youth we call the gleaner, where they had to speak to the man, they had the gleaner. I remember what him name right, you know. Even him, my general, at the wrong time that for really say that a long time your name a call. You should reach out, even though them reach out to you, it seems. You see it? You know? Whoever reach out to them and give them your number, should I reach out to them long before all of this happen, man? I reach out to you and make it point out what you know, point out the reality to the eye rasta. You know, see it, that you're resting place, you know, come here so them take you out. You know, see it, young man drop flesh, cause that everybody has said, whatever young thing like that. Yeah, them young, but aren't they all? You know, see it. You know, see it. Yes, Rasta, it's a tragedy. You know, don't get me wrong, you know, because we don't laugh, when we don't enjoy them thing there with no life still. You know, see, but again, we're not in a position to stand up yourself and credibly defend them or ask any question because, you know, I say, even if it's wrong, we have to just see the benefit of it being an example to the rest who might have go shoot somebody 14-year-old son in him back and kill him because he come from an area. You know, see, and the people them where they look like they're 14-year-old. We can't buy food. Where them get gun from and where them get, you know what I say? all them things that need to be, you know me, I say the people them for no son, no care. That's what, yeah. If you no can't defend on a pitney before it reach to this point, you can't expect people like all us to even say nothing. Neither. You know, see, because we just get familiar with the crime, with the character. You know, see, at the end of the day, when things like these happen, so we still not in a position for even give a credible oration on the subject. So the wrong time for even I with a computer and a keyboard for you jump on the police and the soldier them back and say no, as a ex-OGs, as a OG, a wrong thing that, you know, see, because the man them a move crab up and mad and stupid, literally stupid bad man them, you know, see it. So, I can't discredit myself, my principle, my characteristics and things like that and go jump on trivial issues like those. See, murder, not murder, I mean the killing of 5 men and 7 guns recovered, and we have to consider it trivial at this point because the address or the approach, the only thing we can address is that you know, see it. But again, if you look into the depths of it, if you did to do it with brisk, vigilant journalism, you know, see, there's a lot of things to observe other than that. But we don't do it, me no want to do it, me no want nobody do it, nobody enough to do it. Even if them youth there dead, you know, see it, let it serve as a sacrifice, as a lesson to the one them we're out there. I do them thing and then let them know so them not have no representation in the media anymore. So that's, you know, no question is gonna be asked. Whatever the police them say, and that we ask it. You know, see it, hell of a shootout and soldier get shot up and police have to run and jump and the bomb flick and all them things that start. You know, see it, that go on. You know, see, cowboy show all night. Now, always me could I imagine it if them used to ride on with gun and them way there. They were all no one deal with police when the police come in. But they're not afraid of nothing. Me can only picture, say, well then, the nature is, yeah, boy, it's like an opportunity when I see police and soldier. Yes, see the boy, them have guns out. Yeah, yeah, I just some can't see it. Some can't go there and I say, oh, them when you see when me only way me can portray that is see when you make the phone call or whoever talk to you and you sound so shaky and afraid you shoot out your shot them and know what go happen and just know what time of day it is and afraid. I just so you can see it based on the nature and the culture I want to put the thing today. You see it? So you know what time of day it is. If you don't want to dip on the one and stay up on the one, but continue. Yeah? Continue. Because the police them love that, you know. You know, see it. I want we as bloggers to start burn out Indicom. We start put a pressure on Indicom and investigate all the players every night to see if them have no skeleton enough for them closet to and shake them up. Because no man not perfect, you know. And that them for know. Anyway, no found it and go like that one there. But share, like and subscribe anyway. One of them there you might get one or you like. You see. That's the far right name. You don't know education and we have to give our opinion same way. You see it? The most I name Rastafari.